Carlos, we're at Broadway Engineering in
are.
Bristol,
Yes.
and it's a fantastic facility you have here. But today I want to have a look at some of these fifth axis components that you're manufacturing. Now, how did you used to manufacture these components before?
I'd say in the past we'd had to actually maybe use 3 and 4 axis machines, and then probably even go on to a conventional machine to complete the rest. It is quite a complex part, and it requires a lot of attention. Accuracy wise, it's also very accurate. So we're doing it on the 5 axis. We're able to actually make the part with precision. It's consistent and it's much quicker.
So how many operations were you doing this component, did it take to do this component before?
Previously, as I can remember, it took about 8 to 10 operations to do it. We're using a number of tooling, but it's still much quicker. We are doing this operation in 2 operations now.
So on the DMG MORI DMU 50 Evo linear, you've effectively saved 8 operations. Now,
Yeah.
the operations is one massive time-saving factor, but the
Correct.
setup times, each setup time must have, took a long time to set each operation previously.
Previously it did take a long time because we had to look for all tooling holders, all that necessary stuff. What we try and do here at Broadway is we got toolkits already prepared and programmed on the machine as well, and with our processors, so it's able, and we're much quicker in actually do a setup time on that.
Now, for critical parts, for aerospace parts such as this, also doing it in 2 operations, surely it's improving the quality of the part because it's keeping the relationships between each face and feature consistent.
Most definitely, in that aspect, we can guarantee that what comes out of these machines is actually precise and consistent all the time.
So with this fifth axis machine, your sale of DMG MORI fifth axis machines, how are you finding the repeatability and the accuracy of actually the machine?
Repeatability is very good. Obviously, you've got to watch your tools from time to time, and it depends always on the material you're actually machining. But very good, the repeatability.
Now, I've noticed that you've requested directly from DMG MORI to have all of your machines with hide and iron control. Can you tell me the reason behind this?
Yes, we did. The reason is because we've got milling machines on our top shop, and everything is hide and iron, and it would be so much easier for all the operators and programmers to program in only one language instead of going over to Fanuc or Siemens. Hide and iron, we found it to be more user-friendly.
Now, you do a lot of medium volume work, so you're doing a lot of setups all the time, I would imagine, yes. Carlos. Now, do you actually still do some programming on the machine?
We do some alterations on the machine. Most of the program is actually made offline. So we do actually change a few things on the machine and the programming to ensure that the part is correct.
So, to summarise really, Carlos, this new sale of DMU 50 Evo linear machines from DMG MORI, have they been a game changer for Broadway Engineering?
We definitely think so, because it's in a lot of our work it's actually saved time and operations and manpower. So yeah, it definitely has been a game changer.
Now, what's the next step? Where are you going to go next?
The next step, according to our management, is obviously we want to prove and be more competitive in the industry. We intend to robotize the machines, obviously probably modify them and go into pallets and special chucks.
Automation?
Automation, yeah.
Well, can you call MTD back in to video it once this has been done?
I definitely think so, because it's going to be progress not only for the company, but to show our customer how we actually benefiting from everything that we got or acquired.